Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. Amazon just announced massive layoffs again, this time affecting nearly 14,000 corporate employees worldwide, with reports suggesting it could go up to 30,000. In India alone, between 800 to 1,500 jobs are on the line. What's really happening inside Amazon? Why are even profitable tech giants cutting jobs in 2025? And most importantly, what does this mean for engineers, SDETs, and QA professionals? Let's break it down. As of late October 2025, Amazon has confirmed 14,000 corporate job cuts, about 4% of its white collar workforce. The affected departments include HR, finance, operations, marketing, and even parts of Amazon Web Services and devices. In India, corporate and tech support roles tied to global teams are seeing the biggest impact. Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai offices are hit hardest. So, why is Amazon cutting so deep? Three big reasons. Number one, overhiring during the pandemic. Amazon's workforce ballooned when online demand exploded, but now growth has normalized. Number two, AI and automation. Amazon calls AI the most transformative technology since the internet. Many internal processes are being automated from HR to analytics. Number three, cost optimization. The focus now is on being leaner and faster, reducing management layers and bureaucracy. Here's the real message: this isn't just about cost cutting, it's about restructuring around AI. Amazon is redirecting resources to AI driven logistics, cloud automation, and advertising tech. The future workforce will be smaller but highly specialized, focused on automation, data, and innovation. If you are an SDET or QA engineer, this is the time to evolve. Amazon and the industry as a whole is not cutting tech roles that add automation, scalability, and intelligence, but repetitive manual testing that's getting replaced fast. So focus on advanced Selenium, rest assured, API automation, CI/CD pipelines with Jenkins or GitHub Actions, cloud testing on AWS, and yes, learn AI ML testing frameworks. The more you can automate and measure impact, the safer and stronger your career will be. Layoffs can be scary, but they also show where the future is heading. Amazon isn't dying, it's transforming. And if you transform along with it, you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Stay curious, stay skilled, and keep moving forward. Thank you for watching.